corner still can't move. Soaked by surf. It's down and out. Vaporeon is sent out. Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. Who's going to take the glory? The blue corner calls their Pokémon back. Articuno is sent out. Vaporeon uses its move. Corner calls their Pokémon back. Snorlax is sent out. It seems that its physical condition is not so good. Both corners still have a chance to win this. What kind of developments can we expect to see next? The blue corner calls their Pokémon back. A bomb of snow is sent out. The red corner, frozen solid and unable to move. Snorlax thawed out. Snorlax had its health sapped by Leech Seed. Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. What kind of developments can we expect to see next? A bomb of snow starts to attack. Snorlax uses its move. Snorlax is slowly losing its health. Neither corner has made a decisive attack yet. Which corner will make the attack that could change the situation? It hits. Snorlax had its health sapped by Leech Seed. The battle rages on. Which corner will make the attack that could change the situation? A bomb of snow starts to attack. Oh! The red corner still can't move. It was sapped by Leech Seed and taken down. Vaporeon is sent out. Vaporeon uses its move. Bam! It's down and out. The battle has ended. It's a total victory for the blue corner.